In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post multiple pictures in Pinterest desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, swipeable carousel pin from your computer with all the details filled in so it's ready to go live. Start by signing into Pinterest on your desktop browser. From the main interface, head to the Business Hub. You'll find the Business Hub link at the top left of the screen. This area gives you access to Pinterest's creation tools and is the quickest route to building a multi-image pin on desktop. Inside Business Hub, look for the Paid section. Even though it says Paid, this path opens the pin builder you need to create a carousel. Select Create Pin for Ad. This launches the creation workspace where you can upload several images at once and turn them into a single multi-image pin. In the pin builder, drag and drop your multiple pictures into the upload area. You can also click to browse and select them from your computer. Give Pinterest a moment to process each file. If you're preparing assets ahead of time, keep them high quality and consistently cropped so the carousel looks cohesive. Clear file names can help you place them in the right order. Once your images are in, choose the Create Carousel option, then click Create Pin. This groups your pictures into one swipeable post. Take a second to rearrange the panels if you need to, placing the most eye-catching image first to capture attention as people scroll. Next, add a strong title. Make it short, descriptive, and benefit-led so viewers immediately know what they'll get from your pin. Then fill in the description field labeled, "Tell everyone what your pin is about." Explain the value behind your images, include relevant keywords naturally, and set expectations for what users will see when they click through. Add alt text for accessibility. Describe what's in each image clearly and concisely so screen readers can convey the same information to all users. Alt text is also helpful context for Pinterest to understand your content. Include a destination link that matches the promise of your pin. Paste the exact URL you want people to land on and make sure it loads quickly and works across devices. If any of your images were edited or generated using AI, click Mark as AI modified. This keeps your content transparent and aligned with Pinterest's policies. When everything looks good, click Publish. Pinterest will process your carousel and make it available to your audience. That's it. Your multi-image pin is live and ready to be discovered.